Hi, I'm Dr. Shishira. Hair straightening. Hair straightening is one common stylish thing that everybody does it. Nowadays it's become almost every day. I thought I'll give you some information that how harmful this hair ironing or hair straightening is. So basically our hair anatomy is so beautiful that we have multiple layers in our hair follicle. We call it as medulla, cortex, cuticle, inner sheet, outer sheet and etc. All these layers are well bonded to each other with the help of bridges. These bridges we call it as disulfide bonds. These are very important and these are very beautifully arranged in our hair follicle. And at the same time, one of the important layers of our hair follicle, we call it as cuticle, is such nicely arranged in our hair follicle like flower petals, one upon the other. This cuticle is very essential to lock in the moisturizer for our hair and also gives a very nice shiny look. But what are we doing through our hair ironing or hair straightening? The instruments which we use for the hair straighteners, the heat that is produced is to a temperature of around 180 to 200 degrees Celsius. It's a very highest temperature. Along with that, what are we doing? We tend to clamp it and pull it with the opposite direction very strongly. By doing this, we are breaking all the disulfide bonds and we are breaking the most beautifully arranged cuticle. Thereby, you are losing your hair moisturizer, you are losing the hair shininess. Maybe on the day of hair straightening it would look good, but when you are doing every frequently, the moisture is completely lost, your hair goes very frizzy, it will become split ends and it will become dull and lusterless. And also, hair has its own repair mechanism. When you are giving hair most heat and when you are doing the hair ironing very frequently, even the hair repair mechanism will be lost. But if at all, if you have to do, make it very occasional and it has a method to be done. Ironing has to be done to our dry hair, but before doing that, use a heat protectant serum to your hair, apply that, leave it for 5 minutes and then you can do your ironing. Keep the temperature a little lower and don't clamp it tightly and pull it tightly. So I would still say avoid doing a hair straightening procedure so that you can keep your well nourished, moisturized, healthy hair. Thank you.